Alright, see what I did here. Now, if any of you guys have broke a radiator, one of these new plastic radiators, the plastic these connectors is made out of is like that. What I usually do is I take the knife and I'll score a couple times, just like cutting drywall. And come in here and score it. Take a pair of side dikes. Give her a quick wiggle. Then come back and just shave it off. Real nice. It'll look real good. But that stuff's hard to cut. It's going to be like that fiberglass reinforced plastic that those radiators mount out of. And that's why this is why you need to get these and not them Chinesium fake ones. And then that Dorman fuel log harness converter thing that goes from the old style fuel pump to the new one. I mean, I would get one of these and build one of them, or just pin it out factory, because you're putting that 99-cent plug up on top of your gas tank where you're not going to be able to get it. You know, somebody in their bare feet sitting in a dirt hut made that thing, and they give two shits about you. They already got their $2. So, at least these are actually OEM. They're made. They fit the part. If you do it right, which I'm going to redo the wiring on mine when I get a chance to make it neater. And I'll probably buy this wire here. It's mil spec. To buy it new, it's pretty crusty. I get these offshoots. I don't know if I got any other wire here. I got black and gray and different colors. This wire here would be fine for your TPMS sensor signals. I mean, look how many wires is here. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are like 9 or 10 wires there. And a bundle about the size of an ink pen. So you could really clean up this harness in this Jeep. And that's what I'm going to ultimately do. But that would never melt again. And I would encase it in some kind of nice heat shield of some sort. Wire protector. Be nice to get some coax, but that's a different story for the knock centers and all your sensor inputs. But alright, I'm going to cut this one short and call her a night.